If you have been driving lately, and it feels like your car has lost its punch, or the throttle response feels a bit sluggish and lazy, then you might be dealing with a P001E. This code is all about the camshaft profile control circuit being low on bank 2, and it is a common sight on many modern vehicles like Volvos or Chevrolets, and even Land Rovers or Autos. To understand this one, you have to think about the camshaft lobes, which are those little bumps that open and close your engine valves. Some clever engineers figured out that by changing the shape or the profile of these lobes while you drive, they can make the engine much more efficient at different speeds and loads. They basically use adjustable rocker arms or switchable components to mimic a different lobe design on the fly. When your engine control module or EECM detects a low electrical condition in this control circuit, it sets the code and puts your car into a less efficient mode, which is why you feel that drop in power. Since bank 2 is the focus here, you need to make sure you are looking at the correct cylinder head, usually the one without cylinder number 1. The very first thing you should do is check your oil, because this whole profile switching system is hydraulic and relies on clean oil to work. If your oil is black or looks like sludge, it can easily jam up the oil solenoid or the switching valves, so a fresh oil change with the exact viscosity recommended by the manufacturer is your best friend here. After the oil is sorted, you should inspect the wiring harness for any signs of fraying or damage, because those connectors deal with a ton of vibration and can easily come loose or develop a bad ground. Using a bit of electrical contact cleaner on the pins can work wonders for these intermittent electrical issues. It is a medium severity issue, but you really do not want to let it linger, because any problem involving internal engine hydraulics can lead to much more expensive repairs if you just keep driving on it.